Battle Royale, first-person shooter, world creation, simulation, trading and economics, role-playing, and wait, what? Pizza delivery? What? Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealth Professor, the place for people looking to become financially smarter every week. Our goal is to explore the future of business and help you become a better investor. If you like our content, please give us a like and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos. In this video, we're going to talk about Roblox. Specifically, what is Roblox and what are the type of games that Roblox has to offer? What is Robux, their in-game currency? And in general, we're discussing the idea of how does Roblox make money. Now, Roblox is something that you may or may not have heard of. It's something people liken to Minecraft on steroids. Other people think of it as a new and exciting way of making games. Roblox in reality is a platform where you can make games and host them on online marketplaces. You can also play with friends and maybe even make a little money on the side. Roblox can be likened to something like Unity or Unreal Engine in that Roblox is very similar to, say, a game platform or a game engine even. Now, comparisons to Minecraft can be a bit unfair, even to game engines, insofar that Roblox is pretty wild since there's virtually unlimited ways of making a Roblox game. Roblox today is actually worth a lot. As of April 2021, the stock price is worth about $80 and its market value is set at a pretty shocking $40 billion. To put that into perspective, EA, another game development company's market price, is set to $41 billion. Not bad for a company that just listed on the stock exchange, huh? Now, if you look into Google Trends charts, you can see that the term Roblox has actually gained linear growth and interest over time. Starting from 2008, when Roblox started gaining traction, Roblox has since been a game phenomenon, especially with Gen Z and Gen A. It has continued to rise in popularity due to its freemium game model, its vast library of games, and its diverse community, and also due to the simplicity and accessibility of the game. Roblox was actually first released in 2006, and it took a while before it really gained mass market appeal. It was during the mid to late 2010s that we see a meteoric rise of Roblox, and especially now with the COVID-19 pandemic, one of the main reasons as to why Roblox is one of the most popular games today is because it is also one of the most accessible games, with Roblox being supported on basically every platform, whether it be Android, iOS, PC, or macOS. It's also free to play, but also has premium membership perks that don't distort gameplay but exists more so for the bragging rights and visual appeal that it brings. Roblox in itself, as I mentioned, is likened to a game engine wherein there are tons of games such as Apocalypse Rising, Adopt Me, Jailbreak, Works at a Pizza Place, Royal High, and a whole lot more. Now, to make games, you need to install something called Roblox Studio, where users can open up a homegrown integrated development environment, or IDE, which we don't really need to talk about that much. But it is based on existing programming languages such as the Lua language, and you can also make your own Roblox games with other IDEs such as Visual Studio Code. Now, that's the thing with Roblox, isn't it? It's such an open community that people can make their own games, skins, and characters. Roblox developers can even make their own physics from custom code. Roblox enables this new paradigm way of thinking and gives teenagers and kids the power to make their own worlds. The main selling point of Roblox today is how open and accessible it is, how you can use it on almost any device, and I really can't emphasize that enough. Now, here's the interesting bit. Speaking of selling, you came here to know how Roblox sells things, how Roblox makes money. And so we move on to the next bit, to something called Robux. Now, Robux is an in-game currency that's roughly tethered to the US dollar, with 1 USD roughly equating to 286 Robux. Now, I think this begs the question, what can you do with Robux? Well, as with any economy-based system, it's complicated. But one of the main selling points of Robux is that you can use it to trade items in-game. Especially rare items, faces, capes, hats, and other character modifications. You can also use it to buy games in Roblox, although that in itself is actually discouraged in the community as the vast majority of developers make their games free. You can use Robux through Roblox's website where you can search up a user and trade with them. You can also use third-party marketplaces and see what the going rate is for certain items, making it quite interesting to use as a hub for actually making money. Make no mistake, people, as in real people like you and me, are actually using Roblox to make real-world money. They do what normal people do, and buy low, sell high. Buy an item that they know is in high demand when the market is low, and resell it when the market is higher. And they also use other nuances such as trading in high-value items for multiple low-value items, which keeps the game and the economic system very interesting to say the least. So the direct way of gaining Robux is through Roblox's premium membership subscription. Now, how the premium subscription works is that one would essentially pay a certain amount of money to Roblox every month, and this would translate to a certain amount of Robux and other similar perks. According to the Roblox website, there are 3 main membership tiers: Roblox Premium for 50, 1000, and 2200. A premium membership also lets users trade rare items, equip gears or in-game items that add specific features or attributes to characters depending on the game, and give them that prestige of gaining a badge that shows the user is a premium user, a feature that's obviously not available for free players. Players can also trade Robux currency as well, although every time they trade Robux, they're handed a 30% transaction fee that goes straight to the developers. On the surface, it seems trivial. How can trading small items on a virtual game with virtual currency with virtual meaning lead to Robux's market cap of more than $40 billion? But if you think about it, with the ubiquity of Roblox, with how many players it's garnered, with 37 million active daily users, and those players are so engrossed that the average playtime is over 2.5 hours a day, well, that's a sizable amount of players that have the potential to become premium subscribers. Make no mistake, Roblox and their economics of making Robux may seem trivial on the surface, but it actually holds water. When people can jump from game to game, trading items while not gaining much of a competitive advantage as opposed to EA's more notorious model of pressuring users to pay up, you end up with a community that's generally more lighthearted and generally more engrossed in the game, as they're not pressured into paying for things that majorly affect gameplay. This is akin to something like organic growth versus paid growth, and it's something that's worked generally well for Roblox as we can see in their progress today. One key fact to understand is that Roblox isn't really a video game company, but rather a social gaming one. Roblox isn't your traditional developer or publisher of video games. It is also not a video gaming company as the business model combines both a gaming and social ecosystem. Roblox for the most part is free, and it's widely used across gaming consoles, PCs, and even mobile, notably supporting both iOS and Android. And more importantly, friends can play together across different platforms. From a business model sense, Roblox is a platform company that has a network effect, meaning that the more users the platform has, the better its perceived value in the market will be. Think of it like your own circle of friends. If more of your friends plays the game, there's a higher probability that you yourself will play the game too. The more users who engage with the platform will, in turn, invite their own friends, and their friends will invite their other friends, and so on and so forth. From a social point of view, Roblox users spend 2.5 times more time playing Roblox than watching videos on YouTube. So if you learned something new from this video, click on the like button below, leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe to The Wealth Professor for more content like this in the future. And we'll see you guys in the next video.